In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the round, roundup, and rounddown function in Microsoft Excel. All these three functions are used for rounding the numbers, and each of them differs according to the type or method of rounding. Here, you can see the theoretical description and formula syntax. First, let's look into the round function. Round function rounds a number to a specified number of digits. By default, if the decimal number is greater than or equal to 0.5, it will be rounded to 1, and if it is less than 0.5, it will be rounded to 0. For example, if you want to round these numbers to 2 digits after decimal, use round function like this.
Press equals, type round.
Open parentheses. In the number parameter, click on the number to round. In the number of digits parameter, put the number of digits to round. For example, 2. Close parentheses and hit enter. Here you see, numbers has been rounded to 2 digits after decimal. Use the fill handle to drag the formula down. Let's look into another instance of round function, where I will put 0 in the number of digits, which will remove all digits after decimals and rounds the number. Here you see, number has been rounded by removing digits after decimal. Let's look into another example where I will keep negative number in the number of digits parameter. This will round the numbers which are left to decimal point to nearest tens, hundreds, or thousands. To round these numbers to nearest tens, use the round function by keeping -1 in the number of digits parameter. Here you see, these numbers have been rounded to nearest 10. For nearest 100, put -2, and for nearest 1000, put -3, and so on. Let's see the roundup function. This function rounds the number up, away from 0. Regardless of greater than and less than 0.5 rule, any digit after decimal that is greater than 0 will be rounded to 1. Let's use the function here. Equals roundup. Open parentheses. Click on the number. Put a comma. In number of digits, let me put here 3. Close parentheses and hit enter. Here you see, second digit after decimal have been rounded up towards 1.
Drag the formula down.
Similarly, use the round down function to round digits after decimal towards 0. So, this is all about the use of round, roundup, and rounddown function in Microsoft Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Consider subscribing this channel if you have not. See you in next video tutorial.